Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic RGB tubes, or actually lamps, that this brand sent to me for this video that comes up with so many good features. These are awesome for a gaming room, like an office as well, a bedroom if you also want it, or for like DJing or things like that. These are fantastic. Not only because each one of these ones are fully rechargeable, it comes with a USB-C port right here, and each one of this one comes with its own cable, but also because these ones, you can use it as a lamp as well. I'm gonna turn off the lights in a little bit so you can see this better, but you can use this one for the base. Another really good thing that you can actually do besides transforming each one of these ones into 4 lamps, by the way, it comes with 4800 milliamp hours battery, so it will actually give you a really nice amount of juice of battery life. But this one comes with the screws right here for the base, but also one right here on the top. So technically, you can actually, with the actual socket that comes with the package, you can put a lamp right here like the base and put this one right, and then connect another one on the top and make an arc. So that is really cool. By the way, you can use these ones and control them with an app or actually the remote controller. Let's do it. Turn off the lights. Man, this is awesome. This is just fantastic. By the way, this right here is the remote controller, which I can do just like kind of like change the colors, for example, like this, put it in just like one color I want, put it in auto mode, but also something really cool again for DJs. Check this out. So this one right here, all of these ones are connected to sound. So now it's reacting to my voice. So that is really good again for parties and DJing and things like that. If you want, you can also play some Star Wars or something like this with these lightsabers. I think this is just fantastic. Having these lamps right here make it to be even better for either scenario, like DJing, parties, or just like having a really nice atmosphere in your gaming room. These are just fantastic. I love them. 47 inches, 2700 to 65 Kelvin, 4800 milliamp hours, music mode, RGB, anything you want, you can do it with this super nice lamps.